Hey guys, it's Allison. So today we're having a little chit chat about foundation and how to find the perfect one. So I'm going to go through all of our foundations and tell you how to find the perfect one. So let's get started. All right, so first up is our Shape Tape Matte Foundation, and it is matte. So this is for oily skin. This is for those of you who have enlarged pores or blemishes. This is going to cover everything, like literally everything, and it gives this like smooth airbrushed effect. It's like you have literally no pores, no nothing on your face. And I love that because I have a lot of freckles and I like to cover them up. I don't want to see them at all. And what's great about this is that it's similar to our Shape Tape Concealer in that it has this big doe foot. And I like this because it's just really easy to apply, and I know like it's kind of like your drink limit for those of you 21 and over. I know that my Shape Tape matte limit is like 4 swipes on my cheek, if that makes sense. This foundation also is waterproof. I'm Ron Burgundy. I've actually worn this snorkeling in the Bahamas and looked flawless. Next up is our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation, which I don't tend to reach for because I have oily skin, so Shape Tape Matte is my perfect match. But this guy is for those with dry skin. So this is gonna give you like a medium to full coverage. You can really build it up. So this is perfect for those of you with dry skin, some dullness, because it's really gonna bring some like glow and reflection back into your skin, if that's a thing. This is actually formulated with hyaluronic acid and collagen, so it's going to give you the appearance of plump skin. All right, next up is our Clay Stick Foundation, and you know, the big call out about this guy is it's in a stick form. So if you guys like stick form foundations, you should give this puppy a try. This is medium to full coverage. You can really build it. This is great for those with oily skin and large pores. It gives you like a nice natural matte finish. So it's not extremely matte like the Shape Tape foundation. It gives like a natural finish. And what I love about a stick component is that you can just do it to spot conceal. You can do it on the go. I actually love this for contouring too. So get a shade, a couple shades darker than your actual foundation and use it to contour, and then you can actually blend it out with your fingers. It's super creamy and blendable, so love this guy. Next up is our Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. This has SPF 15 in it. This is actually my favorite out of all the foundations because I can just go back to it and know that it's gonna work. Shape Tape Matte takes second place because that's super matte, and when my skin is dry, I just can't use it. But this guy I can use no matter what. So this is perfect for normal to combination skin. This is great for people with blemishes, large pores, hyperpigmentation, because it is full coverage and it's gonna cover all of that. If I wiped off half of my face, you'd be able to see my blemishes, my pores, my freckles, and this guy just covers it all. All right, so next up is our Rainforest the Sea Water Foundation, which also has SPF 15 in it. This is great for normal to combination skin. This is gonna give you like a medium coverage, but what I love is that it has this custom dropper. So you can kind of do like 1 drop for a light coverage, 2 to 3 drops for medium coverage, and then 5+ drops, which is usually my droppage, for full coverage. And this is perfect if you have fine lines, dull skin, or uneven skin tone, because it's really gonna even you out and give you a natural finish while also like looking radiant and glowy. I don't know how to describe it. You'd think it's like a very natural finish. It's not too dewy, but it just gives you sort of a glow, and that's what I really like about this one. So next up are 2 products that aren't technically foundations, but I'm going to talk about them anyway. This is our Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer, and this is great. This also has SPF 20 in it. This is just for all skin types. It's just giving your skin a little zhuzh. It's keeping your skin super natural, but also evening out your skin tone. And you can build this up if you want. So you can put a little bit on just to even everything out, but you can get pretty good coverage out of this if you build it up. And then our BB Tinted Treatment Primer is amazing. I really like this in the summer because I can get really good coverage out of this while it still feels super lightweight, and it has SPF in it. So this is like a moisturizer, a sunscreen, and a foundation in one. All right, so those were all of our foundations lined up for you. I hope this was helpful if you were confused on which one to try. We do have a lot of foundation options, but they are targeted to different people and different needs. Nobody can all use the same foundation. That's why we gave you some options here, and hopefully I explained them in a good way that you could find yours. And also, I'm the shade medium neutral in all of these, so if you're my skin tone, then medium nooch, try it out. I'm gonna link all of these foundations down below, and if you have any further questions, please comment down below and I will try my best to help you out. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon.